My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to thank you for joining me today. I'd like to share with you a companion video for the book Affirmations, The Path to Peace and Wholeness. And today is chapter 7. I am whole and experience perfect health. Healing is not something you force. It is something you allow. Your body, your emotions, and your spirit are guided by an intelligence that has been healing and renewing you since before you were born. Even when there is illness, pain, or fatigue, that intelligence never stops working. It is always seeking balance, always moving toward wholeness. The affirmations in this chapter are not about denying symptoms or pretending everything is fine. They are about remembering that beneath every condition, there is a deeper pattern of health and harmony that still exists. When you affirm wholeness, you are giving your nervous system a message of safety. When the body feels safe, healing becomes much more possible. Muscles relax, breath deepens, the immune system functions more efficiently. Emotionally, you begin to feel less overwhelmed and more supported. Spirit does not see you as broken. It sees you as a living expression of wholeness, moving through experience. These affirmations gently invite you to see yourself that way too. You are not fighting your body, you are listening to it. You are allowing it to remember how to heal. Perfect health does not mean perfection. It means alignment, body, mind, spirit, working together in harmony. That harmony is always available to you, even when it feels distant. Let these affirmations be a quiet invitation back to that natural space of balance. I wish you perfect health, joy, and well-being. And hug someone you love. Thank you.